Hey y'all, it's Tanya Allen. Welcome to this channel. So today I'm going to show you some crafts that I've been working on this past weekend. As you can see, it's all going to be fall decor. It's a lot of pumpkins, and I'm showing you a couple of different ways to style some of this, and then the tutorials, the simple tutorials of how I did it. None of this is too difficult or hard. If I can do it, then anybody can do it. So my mother-in-law and my father-in-law were in from out of town last week, and my mother-in-law and I, Trina, went thrifting all day and had a really good time, and I picked up several things from thrifting that I would love to be able to show y'all when I have time to make a video of those. But I did use a tiered stand that I bought, and you can see it right there. It's the one with the gold on the top, and it has a marble tiered part and then a gold stand at the bottom. Anyway, okay, so this is the first little pumpkin that I made, or that I'm showing you, excuse me. I just took a Dollar Tree handkerchief, and I took this green pumpkin. It was small, didn't really like it, not going to use a lot of that green. Well, actually, I did use a lot of that green, but it was not my favorite pumpkin, so I thought I'd cover it up with this cute little pink bandana. It was real easy. Y'all can see none of this is too difficult. I took the little twine piece off the sign that we're going to create in a minute, because I'd like to reuse or use what I have and not waste anything. So just tied that pumpkin up, clipped it, and that's it. You can add a bow, you could have tied it in a bow. I just wanted something really simple, really fast. So this is a Dollar Tree pumpkin from last year that I bought, and this is one of the Dollar Tree car auto wipe things that you dry your vehicle with. So I had to cut a little of this off because it was a little bit long, but it just depends on the size of the pumpkin. I like this one that had a hole in the bottom because it was really simple, just to stuff everything in the hole. I did use a little drop of hot glue here and there. I had some lace, and I wanted to make this really pink and girly and add some pearls. So I had this really nice lace that I got from Amazon, and I cut those ends off to just make it look finished, like a little professional, like you'd buy at a store, you'd buy at a flower shop. I like the ribbon to be finished. There's several ways that I do it, but that's an easy one. I added some pearls, and then I added the cut ribbon to that, and it just turned out really cute. I think it's darling. It's so simple and just really cute. I added a little bit of the gold because I have gold in the stand that I got, and I use gold accents all throughout the house in different areas. And the little rose was the top of that light that you get at Dollar Tree. So this is the Love Your Wine or something sign. I told you I got that in a haul several weeks ago. I painted that white and added a little black paint or brown paint to distress it. I had a little welcome sign that I painted black, and then I had this yarn that I got from Dollar Tree several months ago. Actually, I had no idea what I was going to do with it because I don't knit, but I was so happy that I found yarn at Dollar Tree and that it was cool looking that I bought it anyway. So if y'all saw my craft room, then you would realize, why do I even go to the store? Because I have enough stuff in there to make tons of things. But anyway, I keep going because I love the dollar store, excuse me. And Dollar Tree, yes. Anyway, so you see me wrap all that. Very simple again. Now I did have that welcome sign that I painted black and I put some pink on it. Did not like the pink at all. I had to go back and I had to paint that again. So I just went over it. Actually, the pink paint was still wet when I was going over it, but I don't have patience, so I put that on there and was done. Easy peasy. This is a simple little scrub brush that I got from Dollar Tree, 2 for $1. So I painted in pink with some spray paint I had. I took the wired twine ribbon from Dollar Tree and made a little stem out of that, added a drop of glue here and there where I felt it was needed, bent that in shape and glued that to the leaves that I put on the little scrub brush. And y'all, if those aren't the stinking cutest little scrub brush pumpkins, I mean, I don't know, just too cute. I did make 2 of those since there came 2 in a pack. So basically those were 50 cents a piece with the dollar twine, a little bit of paint, and some spare leaves. This is the pumpkin that I got from Dollar Tree. I used some paint and a paintbrush and painted it all pink. Again, anybody can do any of these crafts, y'all. They are so easy. So I had lace. Obviously, you saw my lace earlier. I pulled that out again. And while the paint was still wet, I just laid the lace right on top. Again, no patience. So the quicker the project, the better it is for me. I flipped this over after, well, yeah. I didn't know what I wanted to do with those pearls yet. I was thinking I was going to make like the lines of the pumpkin. Then I decided, no, I'm not happy with that. So I did flip it over and just put little drops of glue, of hot glue all around it just to hold the lace. And then I took the broken necklace and I decided to go around the pumpkin and just kind of outline it. Now I have enough beads where I could go around the whole thing, because y'all see I only go like to a certain spot on this where I ran out of necklace. I have more pearls, but I decided not to put them on right now because I ran out of time and I had too many other projects on my mind. But I created a bow to hide that, so I'll show you that in a minute. So I took some tacky glue and I used some Dollar Tree stickers to put on as the stem of the pumpkin. I use tacky glue because the stickers don't necessarily stick very well all the time, and I don't want these falling off. This is a little pitcher, the little white pitcher that I got on a a Goodwill haul for 99 cents. And I wanted to make a vase or a flower arrangement in that and use it as a vase. So all of the flowers are from Dollar Tree. And you can see I put some greenery and then some pine cones, added some sunflowers. Oh, those little roses, they're not from Dollar Tree, they're from the 99-cent store. And then I had some gourds, those green ones that I'm really not liking the color too much, but I stuck them in there anyway. Now this is just a Dollar Tree sign. All I'm doing is painting the orange pumpkins pink because I'm wanting to use this in a pink arrangement instead of a orange arrangement. So I fluffed up the bow a little bit, and put it back on there with some glue. And then I took some yellow and went right over the letters. They had glitter on them and everything. I didn't even sand the glitter off. I went right over it and it looks cute. So this is several of the projects kind of put together. You could make a long table centerpiece out of this. You could put it on a bookshelf. You can separate it. You could put it on a mantle, however you want to do. But you can see all the different ones that I did. A lot of these are just taking pumpkins and covering them up. Some of them were actually stuffed pumpkins that I made when you cut out the big circle. There's a gazillion videos on that. That pumpkin was made from stuffing out of a big piece of fabric that I had, some leaves, a yarn, some fluffy yarn I had from another project, and that painted flower. I wanted you to see how big that one pumpkin was compared to all of the smaller stuff that I had done today. I also made this pumpkin sign. Cute, cute, cute. I was so excited with that. All I did with the stickers, painted it with the stickers, took the stickers off, painted it again. La la, there it is. So this is so easy peasy, y'all. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe and comment down below if you'd like.